Hey, lovely people! Before I dive in, quick heads up, there's a special offer just for you in the description below. Go on, have a cheeky look and don't miss out. Now let's talk about something that can be, let's face it, a bit scary, getting sued. Or maybe you're trying to handle a legal drama all on your own. If you've ever tried to decode legal paperwork, you know it's like reading ancient hieroglyphics after 3 cups of coffee and no sleep. That's where SoloSuit swoops in. Your best legal buddy! So what is SoloSuit? Imagine a smart, helpful mate who guides you step by step through answering a lawsuit. But instead of meeting at the pub, you do it all online. It's like TurboTax, but for lawsuits. I gave SoloSuit a whirl when a debt collector popped up, uninvited, into my life. It asked me a few simple questions in plain English, none of that heretofore nonsense. Then get this, it generated a neat professional response, ready to file in court. I barely had to lift a finger. But don't just take my word for it. Loads of users rave about how SoloSuit makes legal stuff approachable, even for people who think pro se is a yoga pose. The reviews? People say it's a lifesaver, a confidence booster, and my personal favorite, cheaper than a night out in Manchester. Worried about messing up? Don't be. SoloSuit double-checks your answers, helps you avoid rookie mistakes, and even gives you options. You can file yourself or have them handle the paperwork for you. Plus, there's a handy chat if you get stuck. I honestly reckon SoloSuit is perfect if you want to DIY your legal defense without selling a kidney to pay for a lawyer. It makes the scary stuff simple and even a bit fun. Alright, before you run off and conquer your legal battle, click the link in the description for your special offer. Go on, treat yourself. Thanks for watching, good luck, and may your inbox be forever lawsuit free.